Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you about Google Custom Search Engine. This is a great tool for teachers to limit the websites that students can view when searching. So we are in a main Google tab right now, so in the search option I'm going to go ahead and type Google Custom Search. I'm going to click the first link, then you do not need to remember the website address. So I'm going to go ahead and click that first link. So once you're in the main screen, it's going to look like this. So you're going to click on the option that says Get Started. So once I click on that, this screen will pop up. Now, if you have not used it before, this will be blank, but since I have made one already, there is my custom search engine right here. You can edit the ones you've made by clicking on them. So when I click on mine, it brings you into an overview screen. So you can see here that the custom search engine limits the websites that you can search from to the created list. So when I scroll down here, these are all of the websites that I have put in here when I was creating this custom search engine for a project. So this is the only sites that my kids will access when I provide them with the link that I have created for them. This is why this is a useful resource as a teacher, because if you are having students conduct research, we know that they can become overwhelmed and not know what a credible website is on the internet. So we can create a custom search engine that has students search through only credible websites. So for example, as a history teacher having students research about the Great Depression, you can create a custom search engine that has students only look on the websites you want them to. So this way you know as a teacher that the information that they are looking at is credible when researching and it's valuable information to help them with their projects. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click back to all engines here. So we're going to go ahead and create a search engine together. So I'm going to click on this button right here that says add. So once I click on the add button, it brings me to a new search engine page. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to give my search engine a name. I'm going to go ahead and name it the Great Depression. Okay. Now I can add specific websites to search from. So a tip here is to be general. So you want the US history website, use the first page. So for example, I already have two links that I have open. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link right here from the US history primary source website. So I'm going to paste that link right here. I'm going to hit add. Okay, and I'm also going to open up another link right here that I have on history.com. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm also going to add that to my custom search engine. So now I have got two sites in here for my kids. If I scroll down here, I can turn on some search settings. So I can turn on the image search, and I can also turn on safe search. You have to click on the button here that says I'm not a robot, and then you can go ahead and click create. So now that my search engine has been created, you have the two options. You can customize it further, or you can see the preview. I'm going to go ahead and select the preview here. So once I select the preview option, this is what pops up, and then you would go ahead and type in here the Great Depression. And it's going to give me a ton of links here through those two websites that I have specifically put into the search engine. And if I go back to my main page again, then you can see my original search engines that I created. And if you wanted to delete it when you were all done, you'd click on the button and you can go ahead and delete that. And that's Google Custom Search.